You have reached your destination.
Yep. I'm honestly shocked at how easy this was. I've done brake drums, drum brakes before. I've had drum brakes rears on Camaros. I've had drum brakes all arounds on a Saab I had. My Fiat has rear drum brakes, and I don't remember it being this goddamn easy. So new shoes, new wheel cylinders, new springs. That's all there is. Um, I've got some other stuff. I've got the crossover pipes to figure out. I took mine off 2 years ago and I forgot how to put it back on, so I can come across that pretty easily, I guess. So this is the right front side. I'll do the left front in a sec, and then move on to the rears. Yeah, just that easy. This is my my left rear, and it's juicy. So I've got a leak, which it's good I'm replacing everything. So yeah, a lot of juice in there too. Yep. This one's done. It was a little bit tricky though. These fucking springs, what anti-chatter I guess, were a bitch to get out. Yeah, that one's not so bad. So I've got the boot. I've got the new wheel cylinder. The boot's on the back. Crush washers. What do you call it? Copper washers. This sucker, however, I am not gonna put this back on the car, old one, until I wash it out, brake cleaner it out. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? Because I don't want to put that kind of greasy thing back on brand new virgin brake shoes and have the brake shoes absorb all that stuff. Damn, I didn't want to go out again. I'm fucking filthy. Yeah. Oh well, I'll go out. And my last one. This is the passenger side rear. Not as juicy as the other one for sure. I got some brake cleaner on the drum on the other one and got all that crap off, but I don't know what this is. Who knows? But a lot of dust in here too, surprisingly. Yeah. All right, this one's done. It actually took me maybe 5 minutes. Now that I have a rhythm down. Yep, got the rhythm method. That's all I got. And the brake drum, I've cleaned this out with brake fluid, like brake cleaner. Where is that? There's a pretty good gouge. Not a gouge. There's a good ridge there from rust. I saw one. Yeah, maybe it's right here. No, somewhere I felt a pretty... anyway. Long story short, I'm going to need to have these things turned. It's $15 at one of the local places. That's a hell of a lot cheaper than buying a new one and having it shipped out of here, or shipped out to here, so that's what I'll be doing. Yep. Here's something interesting. I think I've got the original tires. On my other back wheel, I noticed the same date code. 0970 1958. So, Jesus God. Might just have this thing mounted for posterity's sake.